Imagine a world where damaged hearts can be rebuilt. A place where paralyzed limbs move again, and blindness is not permanent. This is not science fiction. This is the future of humanity. At the center of this revolution are stem cells. Stem cells are often called the body's master cells. They have two extraordinary abilities. First, they can self-renew, meaning they copy themselves. Second, they can transform into specialized cells. These can be heart cells, nerve cells, blood cells, or skin cells. In simple terms, stem cells are the basic building blocks of the human body. Institutions like Harvard and Stanford are researching how these cells can repair damaged tissues and regenerate organs. Right now, stem cell therapy is already treating blood cancers like leukemia. The possibilities extend much further. Researchers are striving to repair spinal cord injuries. They aim to reverse Parkinson's disease and restore insulin production in diabetes. Imagine a future where patients no longer wait for organ donors. With 3D bioprinting, new hearts could be grown from their own cells. Picture this: a paralyzed patient stands and walks again. A damaged brain begins to heal. This is regenerative medicine at its finest. Now, blend this medical revolution with another powerful force: artificial intelligence, or AI. AI can analyze genetic data and detect disease patterns. It can even predict health risks years before symptoms appear. Organizations like Google DeepMind and IBM Watson are aiding doctors in diagnosing complex diseases. Thanks to advanced technology, we now have telemedicine in remote villages, AI-assisted robotic surgeries, and smart hospitals using real-time data. Healthcare is becoming faster, smarter, and more accessible. Now, consider the fusion of stem cells and AI. Imagine AI analyzes your genome and predicts kidney disease in 10 years. Before it happens, stem cell therapy can repair vulnerable tissues. These diseases won't only be treated, they will be predicted, prevented, and repaired. This represents the future model of medicine: predict, prevent, repair. However, such power comes with ethical questions. Who controls genetic editing? Will these advanced therapies be available for everyone, or just the wealthy? How do we prevent misuse? Global organizations like the World Health Organization and UNESCO are working on ethical guidelines to ensure these technologies benefit humanity and do not harm it. The future human will not merely live longer. They will live better. Picture stronger bodies, smarter systems, prevented diseases, and regenerated organs. Stem cells redefine biology while artificial intelligence expands intelligence. The real question remains: will we wield these tools wisely? Because the future is not far away. The future has already begun. Take this journey with us, explore the possibilities, and stay informed about these life-changing advancements. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on the future of humanity. This video is courtesy of Harvest Infertility Care Limited, Bangladesh.